let's talk about the in-camera professional shotgun mic. Hey, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, and this time around is the Rode Video Mic Pro. And yes, it's a pro version. Today we are going to talk about how to improve your sound quality. Remember when I started my YouTube channel, I bought my very first Rode Video Micro and I use it till today. After that I have bought a NT USB mic, which is what now I'm using for voiceover, and this time around is the Rode Video Mic Pro, as I'm going to focus more on my film making journey, which I have shared with you guys on my last video. So I thought it would be great to purchase a better shotgun mic. Not only it looks much better, and it also looks much more professional when you bring out for work. So as usual, like what I always do on my unboxing, I'm just going to show you guys what's inside the box. It's very simple. It's just a shotgun mic itself and follow up by a manual, which not a lot of people is going to read this, but it's good to know where you can insert the battery. Yes, there is a battery you need for this. Alright, let's quickly move that aside and let's look at the mic itself. So as you all may know, this is the brand new Rode Video Mic Pro, which I would just call it as a version 2 because the initial version wasn't like this. This version has built in a famous Ryco suspension system that mounts in this mic, an advanced thermoplastic that exhibit exceptional suspension property isolate your microphone from handling noise from the Ryco suspension. And hearing from the Rode personnel itself, they said that it will never be bent or break, ensuring the suspension system never needs to be replaced. So it sounded really good. And reading from the website, it's actually all new capsule with lower noise and high sensitivity. So this is where you can turn to high pass filter that sets at 80 Hz to enable you to cut out low frequency noise such as traffic noise or lower rumbling of an air conditioner unit without affecting the pickup of the essential human voice frequency, which the Rode Video Micro cannot be done. So this is where it costs more expensive than the macro itself. Alright, so right now what I'm about to show you is how to insert the battery into the Video Mic Pro. The door is located directly on the front side of the mount, so what you need to do is just to push out and it will automatically bounce out slightly. So right now I have my Energizer battery, which is quite famous in Singapore, and I'm going to insert this 9V battery into the Rode Video Mic. Not to worry, they actually have an illustration shows you how you should place your battery inside the Rode Video Mic Pro. So once you get your cover, gently push the top part towards the microphone and then slot it in just by pushing it gently. You hear a click sound, and that means that it is already secure. Alright, this is the minus 20 dB from the Rode Video Mic Pro and it's directly 1 arm away from me. Alright guys, this is the 0 dB from the Rode Video Mic Pro. As you can see right now, I think the sound is slightly much more better. And right now we're just going to do the last test, which is the plus 20 dB. Alright, and here we are back with the plus 20 dB. So right now I think you should be able to hear loud and clear, because this is what it's supposed to be. When I do a lot of research from all the YouTubers recommending this type of setting, reason being because the internal mic from the camera is not as solid as your external microphone. So your external microphone plus 20 dB and minus 12 from your camera, once it's combined together, and it will sound definitely something better than the actual sound from your camera itself. So I know it's a little bit pricey, but it is how it is, and I think it's definitely looks much better compared to the micro version There's a little bit of things that I wish to share with you guys, and that's about it for my video. If you find it useful, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.